In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically sort data in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a simple list or dealing with more complex datasets, the ability to sort data efficiently is indispensable. This feature not only enhances data visualization, but also improves overall productivity. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring that even beginners can follow along easily. First, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open. If you haven't created a new one yet, go ahead and do so by visiting the Google Sheets website or locating an existing sheet from your files. Once you have your sheet ready, we can proceed to the next steps. Next, it's time to highlight the specific cells you'd like to sort. Let's say you're dealing with a small table, for instance, from cell A1 to B6, containing data you want organized. Click and drag from cell A1 down to B6 to highlight this range. This process is crucial, as it will dictate which portions of your sheet will be sorted according to your preferences. Now with our cells selected, the next step involves accessing the sorting feature itself. Direct your attention to the top menu and locate the Data tab. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. This menu is packed with various options related to data manipulation. Within this drop-down menu, find and select the option labeled Sort Range. Clicking on this will open a dialog box. This dialog is important for setting your sorting criteria. It provides more control over how your data is organized compared to simply sorting the entire sheet. In this dialog box, you'll need to decide on the specific criteria for sorting. Click on Sort Range By to expand your options. Here, you can choose which column to sort by and whether your data should be sorted in ascending or descending order. Ascending order will arrange your data from smallest to largest, or alphabetically A to Z. Conversely, descending order will organize data from largest to smallest, or Z to A. This flexibility ensures your data is sorted precisely the way you need it. As an additional tip, if your dataset contains headers, be sure to check the Data Has Header Row box. This choice ensures the header row remains static, preventing it from being included in the sort, which keeps your titles neatly in place, separate from the data below. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automatically sort data in Google Sheets. By using these steps, you can streamline your data handling processes, making your workflow more efficient and organized. Practice makes perfect, so use these techniques whenever you have data in need of sorting. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.